Right, I've got a C90 electric start, and this is the original stator. And as you can see, just here, I don't know if you've got to see, it's burnt out there. It's still working, but it's burnt out. That's what burnt there, that's burnt there, but it's not working great. So, I tried to get another one, I can't get one. Into David Silver's, they're expensive for an original one, and they've not got one in, so I was going to buy one. So, I sent off this one. This is off eBay, it's just a pit bike one. Electric start, because this sits inside there. The flywheel bit is bolted to the engine. On the other ones, what you get on eBay, it's the other way around. But for the electric start, it's like this. This is a 97 bike, but I think the engine's an 86. Anyway, put it in. The wires are pretty much the same colour. Didn't work. And I tried everything, and eventually I found what it was. So here, I've got the same, exactly the same one. But what I've had to do is, as you can see there, I've had to put some bolts under to lift that from there.
Yeah.
So you need to measure from the base plate. It's alright, I'm in the paddock at Isle of Man, TT. Yes. If you measure from the base plate, let me get on this one. Measure from the base plate to the centre of the pickup, and then on this one, from the base plate to the centre pickup is that much difference. So all I've done is put some bolts in for now to make the difference up. That's that. So now the pickup's the same height as the original pickup. And when you fit it, I was pressing the electric start and it wouldn't start. You need to put like a base charge through it to start with. And the electric start isn't doing it. Wouldn't start at all. The battery went flat. Kicked the kickstart, fired up. So I think it needs a good belt from the kickstart, the power from the kickstart, enough to turn it over and give it a zap of power to get it going, and now it's working a treat. So if you've got an electric start one with this type of stator, you can buy these for £13 off eBay, but the only modification you have to make is I've just put them bolts in there just to lift it up to the right height, because I'm in paddock at Isle of Man, so I'm limited on what bits and bobs I've got, and that there has lifted it up. I don't know if you can see, originally that is where the magnet on the flywheel was hitting, so that's how we realised it was out of line. And just by doing that, put it all on now, works a treat. And they're about £14 on eBay. I bought one because it didn't work, they very kindly sent me a spare. So now I've got two, I'll just have to modify. That's how they originally come. Right, let me get you that. Hold on, I won't set it hands. There. That's how they originally come. And the difference between there and there is quite a lot of difference between there. Now I've put the bolt in. And if I get that against it, this is the original one. You can see the height difference, and now the height difference is matching. It works a treat. Like I say, David Silver's hasn't got them in stock, and I think they're about 130 quid, whereas these are 13. These are £13. So there we go. That's it. And then once you've fitted it all, lifted that up, started up with a kickstart initially, and now it starts off of the electric start button where it wouldn't before. Just to prove, I'm in paddock at Isle of Man. There you go. Isle of Man TT race paddock, classic 2018. There's my van. Nice number plate. And there's the bike. Hope that helps somebody, because I couldn't find anything to help me when I was trying to do it. Thank you.